So welcome back guys, welcome to the channel. This is day 102, 102 or 102. Today was not the most productive day. I would say that as I thought in my mind. But so if you remember yesterday, I said I was going to take a long deep sleep. Well, turns out it became a little too long. I woke up at 11:30 a.m. At the moment I opened my eyes, I had that intense realization like, okay, half the day is already gone. But honestly, sometimes your body just forces you to slow down, and maybe I needed that rest after these many days. So yeah, no regrets, but definitely not something I wanna make a habit. Although I have a habit of waking up around 10 a.m. Yes. Actually, I woke up around 10 a.m. today, but I slept. So after waking up, everything felt a bit rusty. Like, those morning where you're not really in control, but you're just trying to catch up with the day. That was me. So I got ready quickly at my lunch, and before I even realized it was already 3 p.m. And that's when my actual day started from 3 p.m. till midnight. Yes, till midnight I was it was just one thing: study all day, study for my exam, and exam is studying me. Yes, exam are getting close. So I have exam on 22 April 1922, but I only have 3 days left, in which tomorrow so is there is, so you can't afford to chill too much. So I sat down, opened my books, notes, and I went into the full focus mode. Uh, well, almost full focus mode, almost. Because let's be real now, because no one study for 9 hours straight like a robot. Like, no one. Three from yes, 9 hours. I did take breaks in between, scrolling on the internet, listening to music, just relaxing my brain for a while, for a few moments, for the big moments. Those small breaks actually helps a lot. Uh, Otherwise, your brain just stop absorbing anything. It's like you are just reading everything, and you can't learn that thing. You just reading. Yes, yes, and you are just reading that thing. So somewhere in between all of this, I also had my dinner as well. Nothing fancy. And honestly, today wasn't about just doing something exciting. It was just showing up, even on slow day like today. Even when the start wasn't perfect like today, even I managed to put into the hours, and that's what matters. Also, tomorrow's gonna be a bit fun. We are going to watch Project Hail Mary at 11 a.m. So yeah, not late waking up tomorrow. I actually have to wake up early this time. Let's see if I manage to do it, or if day 103 starts the same way as today. But yet I have to study tomorrow. After movie, I will be going into full study mode, grinding mode. So whatever, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. No slow start up. Tomorrow will be a productive, and it just means you keep going anyway. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. It really helps the channel grow. So I will see you guys on day 103. Until then, tata, bye bye.